Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something that will enhance your home Wi-Fi experience: the wall mount holder for eero Pro 6 Pro 6e Home Wi-Fi System. Before we dive into the details, let's take a closer look at this product. It's a 3-pack wall mount holder specifically designed for the eero Pro 6 and Pro 6e mesh Wi-Fi systems. This clever accessory is brought to you by the brand Vicaptom, and it's priced at $24.97. When you open the package, you'll find 3 wall mount holders. Now, let's discuss why this product is worth considering. The wall mount holder is tailor-made for the eero Pro 6 and Pro 6e mesh Wi-Fi systems. It's essential to note that it won't work with other eero models. One standout feature is the cord organizer design. These brackets have cord grooves on the back, making it easy to store excess cords neatly. This not only saves space but also enhances the aesthetics of your room. You have the option of screwless or screw installation, catering to your preference. Plus, it supports both horizontal and vertical power outlets. Once installed, you can easily move your eero devices from one room to another without any hassle. It simplifies the setup of your home Wi-Fi system. First, it keeps your setup organized and clutter-free, thanks to the cord organizer feature. Second, it offers flexibility with installation options, and you can change the position of your eero devices effortlessly. In my experience, this product has been a game-changer. I've managed to keep my Wi-Fi setup tidy, and moving eero devices around my home has never been easier. But, as always, let's hear what others have to say about it. Now, as much as we'd like to share customer reviews, we recommend checking them out on Amazon for more insights. Before we wrap up, it's essential to note that this product is designed for use in the US. If you're outside the US, make sure to check compatibility or consider using an adapter. In conclusion, the wall mount holder for eero Pro 6 Pro 6e is a handy accessory that can enhance your home Wi-Fi experience. It's practical, versatile, and affordable, making it a valuable addition to your eero setup. If you're interested in improving your Wi-Fi setup, be sure to check out this product on Amazon. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest product critiques. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.